Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here to share my kit plans for April 2026. There are 5 weeks that are predominantly in April, so I'm going to talk through all those kits. I didn't bring any of my notes for this, so we're just going to do our best. The first week is the one that starts with March 30th, so it's March 30th through May 4th, I believe. May 5th. Yeah, 30, 31st. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. May 5th. Yeah, April 5th, I mean. So this is the week that has Easter in it. So I am using a kit that has a little bit of Easter vibes. So this kit is from B&R Paper Crafts. It's called Zootopia. And it is a deluxe kit on matte vinyl, and it's a photo kit. So there's a few bunnies, so I definitely want to use the bunnies and like these little spring scenes. I'll probably skip like the deserts and things like that. We'll see though. So this is the full box page, bottom washi. The colors are perfect for spring. And then I have glittery boxes, non-glittery boxes, functional stuff, 4 more full boxes, and some icons, some functional stuff here, and then glitter headers and 4 more full boxes. So I should be able to make like a pretty good spread out of this that will be perfect for Easter. The second week is the one that starts with April 6th. And for this week, I just really wanted something that had like spring vibes. In my mind, April is blue, kind of like, you know, April showers color. So this is a really old kit from B&R Paper Crafts called Princess. This is a deluxe kit on regular sticker paper. So it's called Princess, obviously Disney themed. So you can see this is the full box page. Bottom washi, very springy colors here, glittery boxes, functional things, full box checklists, 4 more full boxes and some functional stuff, glitter headers, little things, and then day headers, washi strips, stuff like that. So I think this will be another good kit to use for spring. So I'm excited for that. The third week is the week that starts with April 13th. And for this week, I'm going to use a kit that I've used before. It is called Voice Keeper, also B&R Paper Crafts. This is a deluxe kit on matte vinyl. As I said, I've already used it, but this has a lot of like ocean themed stuff, which again seems good for kind of like the April showers vibes. So I have 6 full boxes here, 2 more full boxes, and a set of glitter headers, very fashion-y kind of vibes. Some functional stuff, icons, and a full box. Glittery boxes, non-glittery boxes, and some functional things. I should be able to get a pretty good spread out of this one as well. The fourth of the weeks is the one that starts with, it would be helpful if I had a calendar, wouldn't it? With April 20th. So the 20th through the 26th. And again, my mind, April is turquoise colored, so this kit is predominantly picked for the color. So this is yet another kit from B&R Paper Crafts. I'm trying to work through my stash. This is a deluxe kit on regular paper, and it's called Jasmine. Obviously, it's Aladdin themed. So this is the full box page, bottom washi, some fun, more summery colors as we get towards the end of April. Glittery boxes, functional things, full box checklists, 4 more full boxes, and some functional stuff. Glitter headers and little things, and then word headers and washi strips. So again, I'm gonna try to use that up as much as possible through that. And then the last week is the one that starts with April 27th. My anniversary is on April 28th, so I wanted a kit that kind of went with those vibes. Our wedding colors were red and navy. So I have this kit from B&R Paper Crafts called Roses Are Red. Obviously very red and rose themed, which seems appropriate for our anniversary. Another deluxe kit on matte vinyl, full boxes, bottom washi and date covers, glittery boxes, non-glittery boxes, functional stuff, 4 more full boxes and some icons, some more functional stuff, and then glitter headers and 4 more full boxes. This one's one that I can use twice, but if I kind of pick the ones that are seem the most romantic, I'm excited to use that, and I think that'll work out pretty well. So this is my quick overview of everything that I plan to use for the 5 weeks that are predominantly in April. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know which kits you're most excited to see me use, or which kits you are most excited to use. Or if you don't have anything that you want to leave me a bunny emoji in the comments just to say hi. I would love to hear from you. And then follow me on Instagram and Blue Sky at Creative Life of Blaze. You'll see in progress and finished spreads, bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.